Hello everyone, I welcome you all in Python with Priyanka. So, hope you all are doing well. And without wasting much time, we will begin with our today's topic. What I have prepared for today, we already went through list what we try to understand what is list, how it is working, right? How it perform with slicing, indexing concept, and how it takes steps in it, like negative step, positive step, right? After that, we are already tried to understand accessing items of list using for loop, right? But in that we haven't given any condition, if else, likewise, right? So today we will see the same um, accessing item of list using for loop, but in that we are gonna perform if else condition. All right, so let's begin with our topic. See, here I have taken one variable, that is list underscore 1, and in that I have stored list. My list is containing some integer value and some string values. So over here, although this 50 is integer number, but it is passed in double quote, so it means here it will be considered as string, and same about this triple one. So we will see. I will execute this one and see. I have wrote over here one code, so I will tell you all what this code means. All right, so I'm saying like for I in list underscore 1, so whichever items elements present over here, for that I'm passing I over here, and then I'm passing this if condition. If type of that I is equals to integer, if it is containing type like integer, then what it have to do, it have to square it and store it into a and print that a. All right, after that, if the type of I is equals to string, what does it means? It have to, if check if the type of this I means if this element is integer or string. If it is integer, then it have to perform this operation, and if it is string, then it have to perform this operation. So what does this operation means? So it have to print like I plus, I have given some space in double quote, again I'm passing over here plus I, means it have to give me this, print this word twice, and in between we are passing one space. Let's see what it will give us. See, it is giving us integer square. See here 50, I already told you that is also string over here, considered as string because we have passed that in a double quote. Understood? So that's why it is giving us this string word as like this. So what we will do, we will pass over here some dot dot dot. See, so nothing means I just passed over here space for our understanding purpose, nothing else. All right, so I have right now explained with you what is if else condition over here. I have simply taken two condition. If it is integer, then do this, and if it is string, then do that, right? For integer, I am saying that do it square, and for string, give me that word twice, and in between them give me some space. This is all about that. Okay, so hope you understood. Now in future, if you, whenever you are working, and you may have to take multiple of conditions, right? So then you have to no worry about it by using for loop and if else. If else, then means you can perform multiple of operations, right? So you have to just, I have shown over here little bit example. In future we will see many more examples, right? After that, what is enumerate and how it work? So enumerate at the very first, you have to keep in mind that it is a built-in function. Alright, so what does it do? It allows you to keep track of number of iteration or loops in a loop. Means if we are passing over here this for loop and it is containing this list one, what it will do, it will means keep record of this, how many integer are over here, and if we will enumerate this list, then it will shows us like 0 1 2 3 4 and so on. See, enumerate allows you to keep track of a number of iteration or loops. We can say it as iteration or loops. That's why I have mentioned both the words in a loop, right? After that, enumerate object contains count and at the start of it will be default 0. So see, just like our indexing, you have to keep in mind whenever we are performing positive indexing, we are going from 0 towards 1 2 and so on, right? So at the time of enumerate also, it will gives us count from 0 itself. So here also 0 will be our default value for enumerate. Alright, so these are some basic about enumerate. Now we will see example. So what I did, I have taken variable list one and I have passed one random list over here. I have kept some name like Raju, Praju, Sam, Tom, John, Man. Alright, what I'm doing over here, for I in enumerate of list one. Okay, so for performing enumerate, we have to use it like this. Enumerate of list with that column, and after that I'm printing this I. So let's see what it will give us. As I told you, it will start from 0 and so on. So it is giving at the last 5 for man. And see, if we want to check its object type, right? So we have to do like this, print enumerate of list one, then it will give just object of it. Now, and this is basically alright. I will show you. See, if I will only say like enumerate of list one, then it will gives me object like this. And if I will say print enumerate of list one, then it will gives me the complete address of that particular list and enumerator of that list. Alright, where it is stored, this is complete address of that enumerate of list one. It's not only about list one, it's all about enumerate of list one. Alright, so moving forward, we are having z functions. Okay, how it works we will see. We will iterate over two lists at same time and we will use z function. Alright, so here I have passed two lists, one for name and one for surname. So I have taken same name as we taken at upper side, and after that for surname I'm just passing A B C D and all, right? What after that I'm saying for item in, so I have to say like name and surname. That's why I'm passing it in parenthesis and then providing comma, means separating them by comma. And for using this zip function, we have to pass here zip. So we are saying like for item in zip of name, comma, surname. After that colon and printing item. So see what it will give us. It will give us like Praju A, Praju B, likewise. Okay, and here enumerate gives us like this much. So if I want it means to join this, I don't want this comma and single colon and all, so I will simply print this stuff. No, sorry, over here I am printing the object of it. Over here I will pass condition like this. For here we have said only item and then pass name comma surname, then it is giving us like in parenthesis Raju comma A. It is just like means how we pass, it is giving us like that. So here we will do some modification. I have said over here for A comma B in zip name comma surname. And how I'm printing this A and B, print A plus some space plus B. So it is giving us like this: Raju A, Praju B, Sam C, likewise. So here we avoided this comma, single quote, and also this parenthesis. Alright. After that, what we will do, we will perform enumerate over this z function. Alright. So let's see what it will give us. So it is giving us the this names and surname, and also giving count of it. All right, so this is all about means z function, and the z functions takes in iterables as arguments. All right, you have to understand that it will always take iterables as arguments and return an iterator, right? This iterator generates a series of tuples containing elements from each iterable. So we are seeing here, right? It is giving us tuple only, because tuple works like tuple is having format like this parenthesis and this words in it, means string or maybe integer, likewise. Okay. Zip can accept any type of iterable such as files, lists, tuples, dictionaries, set, and so on. So zip can work with any type of iterable. So this is all about today. We have seen how means we can access item from list, how we can perform conditions. We have seen enumerate concept over here. This is the only way to perform enumerate function. So you have to do practice about it, but this is all about enumerate. All right, after that we have seen zip function and iterated to list, right? All right, and togetherly also we have seen enumerate and zip function. So this is all about today. We will see list function in next videos. Thanks. Have a really good day. Bye bye. Take care. See you soon.